pay yourself first. His father always started, the first rule is always pay yourself first. Okay, like this person saved at least 10% from his earnings. Okay, so copper coins, copper coins. Okay, slowly he started saving copper coins. Slowly, okay. So he's getting some 10 coins. One coin is saving, or he's getting some 100 coins. 10 coins is saving. Like he's working very hardly there. He started saving. Okay, like what happened is from his first earnings, he began savings again. He followed the first law. Save part what you earn. Save part what you earn. Slowly, his savings grew. Then what happened is his owner, okay, he's working, right? His owner, he saw this person, he saw Nomasit's discipline and the savings, all this mentality. Then give the chance for investment. Here, one small point you heard aware man. He's struggling like anything for the food. He's struggling, he's not having the shelter also. He got the salary, he got the money. At that time, everyone is always going to think, Array, let me go for wonderful food. Let me go for a bit shelter. The people are always going to think about this. Saving 10%, how many people are going to do? You are already full of need, man. Full of need. Even you are not having the struggle for the, even you are not having the money for the food also. Luckily, you did some work. Because of that, some money gone. Some money you got. Here, you never going to think about savings, investments, all these things. You are always going to think about, I have money. We got money. Better to bring rice packet. Better to pay to the vegetable person, pay to the milk wala. Okay, like, and pay house rent. We are always going to think about this only. We never going to think about save some part of that. Save at least 10%. That feeling you never going to have.